Now, those universes are interfering with ours, and they are producing interference effects, which we could detect in the laboratory if we wanted to.
And this is where it gets uncomfortable. Something doesn't seem right with reality, because to this day, no one can clearly explain why a large segment of the global population shares the same false memories. Memories of events, logos, movie lines, things they remember the same way, but that don't match reality anymore. That alone should make you take this seriously.
They were still reticent about informing me as to what the real nature of the situation was. The actual potential for both timeline number 1 and timeline number 2 outcomes, in the case that we're in right now, we seem to be in a variant of timeline 1. It's not happening exactly the way that they figured that it would. But then again, it couldn't, because we've made changes along the way, which diverted us away from timeline number 2.
When you really stop and think about the idea that things like this could be real, it gives you chills. At least it did for me. It reminded me of a real experiment done by psychologist Daryl Bem, known as Feeling the Future.
The computer randomly selects a set of photographs to show you, and most of them are calm, neutral pictures, and every once in a while there's an arousing picture. So the results is that the physiology of the participant shows higher arousal, not just when the picture appears, which you would expect, but a few seconds before the computer shows the arousing pictures, even before the computer decides which picture to show.
In Bem's experiment, nothing was predicted in advance. The choices were random, and yet the body reacted as if it already had access to what was about to happen.